What's up everyone and welcome back to Antino's workshop. Today I wanted to customize this knife we made in the previous video. What I mean by that is we're going to etch something into the blade. And what we need for that is a bit of salt water, some batteries, then I get 2 crocodile clamps, a Q-tip and a bit of sticky tape. Let's take a bit of the tape and put it where we want to etch something. So what I decided to etch into the steel is the initials of this channel, EW, Antino's workshop. Small maybe over here. That's why I have this smaller knife, so I can now cut into the sticky tape. Now that's done. So those are 2 9-volt batteries that I will simply connect together. And then I take one of the crocodile clamps, put it on one of the poles and attach that one onto the blade. Second clamp goes onto the other pole. Now we take our Q-tip, put it into the salt water. Now attach the second clamp onto the cotton and we are ready to etch. Alright, let's get the sticky tape off. Alright, now we are done and we etched EW into the blades, Antino's workshop. It's not very deep, but you can feel that it's etched into there, and I like how it keeps some kind of darker letters. Well, that's it with this super short video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.